My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is this Indus Spoken English channel, with videos and shorts. Every video and every short is very useful. Everything has got its own impact. Every video has got one or two grammatical rules also. So it is easy to know the vocabulary. Now we have got so many books and magazines. Whatever you see around, the word in English can be easily understood. It is quick. It is always said. No, whatever we use every day. No, pen, pencil, eraser, bookshelf, cupboard, shirt, sari, flowers. Everything is there. Eyes, nose, tongue. For the small children, they are taught in this way. And we see all these computer, laptop, mobile, charger, all these are there. Wherever we go, around us we have got everything. And all these words are usually said in English because they are the technical words, most of them are used only in English. So it is easy to know the words. It is very easy to improve our vocabulary, to develop our vocabulary, to expand our field. That is, in the field of vocabulary, knowing more and more words in English, that is quite easy. But to use them properly, in the proper sentences, in the proper situation, to proper people, that is what is little difficult. And for that, today I'm just telling you to watch this channel where you find the proper usage of proper words, the proper situations. That is what is needed. When we know certain words and certain phrases and questions and answers, we can use them freely when we are in the midst of our friends and relatives. Then, as I very often say, self confidence is there, self trust. When this is there, we will feel very freely. We will feel free to use them properly, correctly, perfectly. Even if we are not to have perfect spoken English, it's correct spoken English will only give us satisfaction. So the speaker also should be satisfied when we talk. What we talk should be correct. I think all of us have that feeling. All of us like to be called as good. Good is a commonly used word of appreciation which everyone enjoys, even from the age of 2 up to 100. Everyone enjoys. It is good. Your words are good. The conversation is very good. Your spoken English is good. So we like to make it an excellent. So for that, please watch these videos with little concentration. For anything, concentration is important. For any good purpose, whatever we do should be done with concentration. When we make your concentration there, and that too with little enthusiasm and interest. When people show interest and enthusiasm in speaking good English, we will surely listen to these videos, which give us all few points, few hints, and few steps to go ahead, marching towards an excellent spoken English. So when our day-to-day dialogue is excellent, good, and perfect, people enjoy that. The speaker also enjoys, and the listener also will enjoy. So not when the speaker is confidently speaking, we will be able to speak freely, spontaneously, without any plan, without any thinking, without any meditation. That is what is day-to-day dialogue is about. When we meet our friends, we have to speak very freely. Hi, when did you come? When did you come to this area? When did you come to Chennai? And the answer can be, I came a week ago. So why did you call me? We ask the next question. Why didn't you inform me? Why didn't you call me? So the answer can be this. No, I was busy for a week with my family matters, with my business matters, maybe. That is why I was not able to call you. Anyhow, shall we call our friends? Shall we fix a date for our get together? That is the idea of all the friends when we meet after a long time, after a break, or some of them have their annual get together even. We have got all ways and means now. Technology has helped us a lot through Facebook and WhatsApp and all. We are able to meet our friends. We are able to fix the date for our meeting and we gather together and we ask simple questions now. What are you doing there? Maybe I am an IT, I'm an IT employee, or I'm employed in a private company, something like, or I am a teacher in a good school, in a private school, or even so. Why don't you opt for some other work? Yes, surely I'm trying for a better job, for a better job. So for a better job to work anywhere in the education department or in the medical field or even in the government field, knowledge of English is very much needed. So, dear friends, dear viewers, try to involve yourself in knowing better English, in having better conversation, in improving our day-to-day dialogue, maybe to have an excellent day-to-day dialogue. Watch these videos, make your concentration and show your enthusiasm and interest. So, and you can even have a participation by using these words and questions and answers when you meet your friends or relatives now. What's your plan for next year? What are you going to do tomorrow? Shall we meet tomorrow? Can we contact our good old friends? Can we have a good get together very soon? Where can we meet? That is about the place. Where can we meet? When can we meet? That is about the timings. So where and when are very important. So we shall fix the place, that is where to meet. We shall fix the time, that is when to meet. So let us have a get together very soon, maybe tomorrow, or maybe on Sunday, or maybe on a holiday. So in that way, we have our conversation very freely when there is a good storage of words, and also when we are thorough with the grammatical rules and rules, we will be able to speak freely, happily, with confidence to our friends, with a good understanding of our thoughts and views. We can express our thoughts and views in correct sentences, in a perfect way, and that will give us an excellent day-to-day dialogue. Bye for today.